Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Java, exceptions are a way to handle errors or other exceptional events that occur during the execution of a program. Java categorizes exceptions into two main types, checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. Custom exceptions can be created to handle specific application-related errors in a more meaningful way. ####1 Checked exceptions. Checked exceptions are exceptions that are checked at compile time. If a method is capable of throwing a checked exception, it must either handle the exception or declare it using the throws keyword. Custom checked exceptions typically extend the exception class. ###### Example of custom checked exception. ####2 Unchecked exceptions. Unchecked exceptions are not checked at compile time, and they extend the runtime exception class. These exceptions can occur during the execution of the program and do not need to be declared or handled in the method signature. ###### Example of custom unchecked exception. #### Key differences between checked and unchecked exceptions. 1. Checked exceptions must be caught or declared in the method signature. Extend the exception class but not runtime exception. Example, IO exception, SQL exception. 2. Unchecked exceptions do not need to be caught or declared. Extend the runtime exception class. Example, null pointer exception, array index out of bounds exception. ####Conclusion. Custom exceptions in Java allow developers to create meaningful error handling mechanisms tailored to their specific needs. By extending either the exception class for checked exceptions or the runtime exception class for unchecked exceptions, you can create robust applications that handle errors gracefully. When designing your custom exceptions, consider providing constructors that allow detailed error messages, as this can greatly aid in debugging and logging.